Hey everyone, in this video I'll be reviewing these copper lug terminals from Wirefy. Lugs like these can accommodate 4/0 to 8 gauge wires, and they're essential when you want to connect electrical wire to terminal posts, like on fuses, bus bars, and batteries. When you receive a pack of lug terminals, they'll list the specs of the lug on the label in the front. First, you have your ring size, which is the diameter of the ring hole here, which is, in this example, is 3/8 of an inch. Then, the label lists what wire size the lug is built for. In this example, this lug is built to accommodate 2/0 wire. So before you pick up your lugs, you'll need to know what gauge wire you're using and what size terminal posts you want to connect to. Here in this video, we have 3 different packs of Wirefy lugs that we're going to use for our camper van build. These 3 packs all accommodate 2/0 battery cable, but they each have different ring sizes. Here we have 1/4 of an inch, 5/16 of an inch, and 3/8 of an inch ring sizes. When we place the lugs side by side, you can see the difference in the diameters of the ring hole, from smallest to largest. And when you open the box, each pack comes with 10 copper lug terminals, 6 red heat shrink sleeves, and 6 black heat shrink sleeves. To crimp these lugs on your wire, you'll either need a hydraulic crimper or a hammer lug crimper. We've used both of these before and really recommend the hydraulic crimper for ease of use and crimp consistency. Simply insert the lug into the crimper and squeeze the handles until a satisfactory crimp is made. This is what the lug should look like when it's crimped onto the wire. Then you can place the heat shrink sleeve over the lug and activate with a heat gun. And this is the final result, a high quality lug terminal with a nice clean finish. And that's about it. They're not the cheapest connectors on the market, but you really get quality in this product. Nice thick copper material with heat shrink included. Wirefy is also an American company with fast customer service. We emailed them once with a question and they got right back to us same day. Great company, great quality connectors. Thanks for watching. Building an electrical system in a camper van can be complicated. Just look at all the products that you'll need. That's why we provide an electrical wiring ebook filled with simple, intuitive wiring diagrams and product and tool recommendations to help you build your system as fast as possible. To access this free ebook, click the link in the description below or head over to our website's homepage. Happy building!